Crew Cab Texas Edition. Log on to LoneStarChevrolet.com. Chevy, find new roads.
Call 888-690-6972 for details.
Hello, Houston. Tomorrow's here. Time for an energy company that does more than just sell electricity, and that's Constellation. We offer electricity plans that include protection for your air conditioning. If something goes wrong, we'll fix it, and you pay nothing for covered parts and labor. Visit Constellation.com/getmore or call 888-921-MORE to learn how all of this is included in one great electricity rate. Certain restrictions apply. Visit Constellation.com or speak to a care representative for details. PUC 10014.
Nate Murphy here, General Manager of Fred Haas Toyota World. Our biggest pre-owned truck sale ever is rocking today's Sunday. Today's Sunday, all truck prices have been slashed. Don't make a $2,000 mistake. Shop Fred Haas Toyota World.
Excludes TTL 150 dealer fee off MSRP from dealer.
Get ready. Voodoo Music and Arts Experience returns to New Orleans City Park for a celebration of music, food, and costumes. October 25th through 27th. 3 days, 4 stages, and over 60 artists. Worship the music in New Orleans. Halloween week with live performances by Guns N' Roses, Beck, Brandy Carlisle, The National, Young the Giant, Interpol, Bring Me the Horizon, Bishop Briggs, and many more. 3-day general admission, LOA, VIP, and platinum tickets on sale now. Join the ritual at VoodooFestival.com. Sponsored by PayPal, Modelo Especial, Smirnoff Vodka, and New Belgium Brewing.
Peanuts or pretzels?
Hi, I'm craving tapas.
Coach?
Some mixed olives, those tiny meatballs, ooh, and tortilla española.
So, peanuts or pretzels? 3 times the points on travel makes everyday experiences feel luxurious. At Navy Federal Credit Union, our members are the mission, which is why the flagship credit card gets you 3 times the points on travel and 2 times the points on all other purchases. Visit NavyFederal.org to learn more. Navy Federal Credit Union, open to the armed forces, the DoD, veterans, and their families, insured by NCUA.
This summer, remember to keep it Interessante, just like Dos Equis, the cerveza that makes summer, summer. Brewed to taste better at cookouts, it's the taste that turns any garden into a beer garden. And the reason Hawaiian shirts have pockets. Make summer unforgettable with Dos Equis. Keep it Interessante.
Enjoy Dos Equis trademark responsibly. 2019 preferred price for basis Mexicanas, white drinks, New York.
It's Mattress Firm's 4th of July sale with a preview of our free event. This Friday through Sunday, enjoy our Father's Day deal and get a free adjustable bed base when you spend just $399. And get 2 free memory foam pillows and a free mattress protector when you take home your new bed for just $599. Plus, save up to $400 store-wide. Hurry in, your budget stretches further at Mattress Firm. Offer valid with qualifying purchase. Restrictions apply. Valid at participating locations only. For offer details, visit mattressfirm.com/sale.
Hey, it's Dinah from The Buzz. Check out a new film, 5B. It's an inspiring and uplifting story of the nurses who worked on the front lines of the early days of the AIDS epidemic and how human compassion and courage changed the course of treatment of HIV patients. In commissioning 5B, Johnson & Johnson brings the stories of these unsung heroes to the world. Johnson & Johnson has stood with these nurses and all health professionals in the treatment and prevention of HIV for the past 25 years. 5B in theaters now. Get your tickets at 5bfilm.com.
As a small business owner, when was the last time you considered switching internet providers?
I don't even remember. Running a business keeps me pretty busy.
Let's compare your current provider to Comcast Business. Are you getting fast, reliable internet?
Sometimes.
How about a full suite of innovative services like separate Wi-Fi networks, 4G wireless backup, and advanced voice solutions?
I highly doubt it.
Sounds like your provider doesn't compete. Make the switch to the nation's largest gig speed network now and get an amazing deal. Right now, get fast 25 megabit internet and 1 voice mobility line for $59.90 per month. Call 1-800-501-6000 today. Comcast Business. Beyond fast.
Offering 6/21/19 restrictions apply. New business customers only. 2-year agreement required. Early termination fee applies. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra, subject to change. Backup limited to up to 8 hours.
Flavors on fire at Wingstop. Save the day with the Wingstop Flavor Fix Bundle. 24 boneless wings, 4 flavors, 1 large fry, and 2 dips for just $15.99. And don't forget that for a limited time only, you can try our new summer flavors. Harissa lemon pepper and ancho honey glaze. So what are you waiting for? Get your Flavor Fix Bundle for only $15.99 delivered to your door at Wingstop.com. Wingstop, where flavor gets its wings. Plus applicable tax and delivery fee for limited time at participating Houston locations only. Other restrictions may apply.
America was built by people who rolled their sleeves up and got to work. And it wasn't wasn't easy. Workers faced treacherous obstacles building bridges, buildings, and cities, brick by brick, through blood, sweat, and tears. With grit and perseverance, blue-collar America built our great nation. Today, that legacy continues with the next generation of American workers. Boot barn work. So, what's stopping you?
Every dad is different. Now at Kroger, you can find gift cards for just about anything Dad loves. And you'll earn 4 times the fuel points on those gift cards. Plus, you can keep the celebration going with our 3 days of digital deals. Choose from Father's Day favorites, like meats for grilling, charcoal, party apparel, and more. Just download your coupons for both these deals at Kroger.com or on the app. And get your Father's Day started with Kroger. See store for details. Fresh food.